Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So yesterday we had all that bearish flow, which was precluded by the bearish flow the other day, even while we ran up, and what we got was a nice big move down for the bears. Moving along, we did have another red DEX, a red, two in a row. Let's see if that trend continues. Jumping into our whale targets and our customer sentiment. Well, customer sentiment is still bearish. We're still in a short to pop mode, I would say, after that big clip, that big abrupt move down there. So right there, we're still in short to pop mode. We do see we hit up 575, 576 right there on our whale targets, and then we came on down, so maybe we get down to that 160. Still a tight range right there as we're moving along, but it's a decent one, at least not too small. Hopefully we don't see more chop. As far as our dark pools go, 559.05 is still our largest ag, which matches what? The bottom of our whale target range. So if we have another bearish day right around that area, makes sense as a spot to target. Doesn't all happen in one day. Sometimes it takes weeks for price to come all the way down or all the way up to where its ag is, but mark all these on your charts or ping the bot like I do. Jumping into our gamma, I think we're around 569 right now in the pre-market session. Let me take a quick look. Yep, 568.26. So right around that area. So 568.26. So we're sitting right in this range right here, which isn't a very big pull. All right, our ag is smoothed out a little bit here. We have a 578. And then we're going to put an X on that 554 now, just for now, because we're still a little bit away from it. We have 578, and then we have a little bit of 556. That would make more sense. Biggest pull is 575, so we could keep retreating, then bouncing. But let's check today's data and see what that brings us. Today, 327. Taking a look. So if this is a pretty simple one for us today. We're very smooth to the downside, okay? Which means there's nothing in our way for us to drop heavily. We're not going to look at 549 or anything crazy like that. Gamma is very thin, so if we get a bunch of bearish net flow and some zeros pulling, down is simple. For the upside look, plain and simple, if we're above 566, we actually have room back to 575 and 578 because gamma is also thin there too, with a big pull to the upside. So our largest pull is up and to the right at the moment. But because gamma is so minuscule and there's so little in our way at the moment, either way flow looks will be very important for us today. So pay very close attention to net flow today. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.